So today I'm making some fried chicken, but I'm going to boil them first. So I'm going to add the chicken wings to the pot. Then I'm going to go in and add some boiling water. And I'm going to boil them for about 15-20 minutes. Let's go check on the chicken. So may I wash, so that's why I hear the noise in the background. Alright, I can lift this off and pour off the water. Turn on some cold water. Cool it down. So we're going to transfer this to a bowl. So the season that we're going to use some paprika, some Maggi chicken, and Maggi all-purpose. The first thing I'm doing is adding a little olive oil to the chicken. Going in with some all-purpose seasoning, or just like a seasoning of regular light order season up meat. Now Maggi chicken, and we're adding some paprika for color. Just gonna combine that together. Alright, so let's get the Dutch pot started for frying. We're gonna add some cooking oil to the pot and allow that to heat up. Alright, once the oil hot, we're gonna add the hot pepper to the pot. So what we're doing now, we're gonna make some sauce for the chicken. So I'm going to use some tomato ketchup, some Sweet Baby Ray honey barbecue sauce, and the barbecue sauce. I'm gonna add a little red dye to it, just to make the color pop a little. Some sugar, a little ginger, and a couple drops of vinegar. So let's get into this. We're going with the honey barbecue. Then we are going with the barbecue. I think I'm gonna add some honey. Let me see. Ketchup. put the sugar in there now, but I'm gonna put the honey. I'm gonna grab it. There is the honey because the honey will give the chicken a sheen. I like. I'll just combine it. The chicken and bone, you know, we need to go attend to it. So this is the sauce. So we're going to put them in. We're going to add it. That pan. So it can drain off. We're going to the next step now. Two things: we can leave it to cook up the sauce, or we can add it to the oven just so that the sauce can stick to the chicken. So I'm gonna add it to the oven for about 5 minutes, and I eat about 450 degrees, and just take it out back.